Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. What is the digital marketing? The basic information on digital marketing. The first time I can search on digital marketing and the Google can provide digital marketing definition. What is the digital marketing? Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is and promote of brands to contain with potential customer using the internet and other form of digital communication. This including not only email, social media, web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messenger marketing channel, essential marketing companies, invoice, digital communication is digital marketing. Just Google, very simple, short way the definition. But the others websites, others blogs, others people, the sharing, what is the digital marketing? The digital marketing, lot of people, lot of teacher, lot of lecture, the online. But I am easy to say this digital marketing. What are the basic of digital marketing? Very easy and simple, the basic digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to any marketing method contract through electronics device which utilize some form of a computer, including online marketing effort considered on the internet. In the process of condition digital marketing, a business mind leaving website, search engine, blogs, social media, videos, email, and similar channels to reach customers. Unlike traditional marketing, which is statistics and obtain refers to as one way communication, digital marketing is an ever-changing dynamic process standard. Otherwise, customers containing internet with business through and billboards or printers ad, where digital marketing provide an enabler to avoid the communication between a business and its actual and positive customers. There's days. It's an all-time high for many people. Digital marketing taken advertise of these rails, promoting business products and service, access and internet in our business ensure that marketing effort and more like to reach customer by targeting them away the speed most of the time. From startup, enterprise business, a manufacturer, digital marketing approach can lead to significant communication band. Successful digital marketing strategy general envelope and communication of voice methods, including online advertising, search engine optimization and marketing, social media marketing, and management. and content creation, among others. The 90,000 marketers by using and there are different way the content digital marketing. Digital marketing is broad of then ensure many different channels for promoting business, internet, a positive customer, depending on the business need to goal as the creative way condition digital marketing is not a cooking, creating, etc. That brings side, there are several communication methods for condition the digital marketing, including just some topics details. Number one, search engine optimization, that means SEO. This is perfect of improving ranking which measures search engine to increase online traffic. Number two, search engine marketing, SEM. Search engine marketing, SEM, the leveraging paid online advertising to increase website visibility within search engage, SEM, in obtain use the condition with SEO as like Google advertising, lot of paid advertising. Number three, pay per click, PPC, very important part, the paid campaign, PPC, pay per click, is an online method for advertising where a business only pays for these ads when a person click on them. Number four, the social media marketing, SMM, very important part, the social media marketing. The lot of people the worldwide uses the social media platform. Social media marketing, SMM, is the perfect of using social media channel to promote business, product or service, then used to social media influencer obtain reference to influencer marketing is the prevalent in SMM. Email marketing, number five. Email marketing enable business to send branding, promotional content directly to positive customer via email. The use of through news set and common is the context. Number six, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based exchange that enable revenue share and pay per sale, PPS, pay per sale, that means PPS. Comparison with a common network. Number seven, content marketing. Content marketing that refers to the publishing and distribution to text, videos or audio and materials to customers online. Blogs. Number nine, native advertising. Native advertising involve blending marketing, branding marketing, material, intro, medium, marketing, that understanding message and marketing process equal improve sponsor content, each which the business post to own content and different website is a common method of native advertising. There are numerous ways to extend digital marketing strategy from most businessmen. The successfully in brand marketing involves the use application the multiple digital marketing method. Friends, thank you. The basic digital marketing and very important digital marketing. Best of luck. The next videos, next topics. Thank you.